Alright, Sonic fans, did you hear the news? Sonic the Hedgehog 4 is happening. I'm still buzzing with excitement. Paramount has confirmed Sonic the Hedgehog 4 is on the way. This is a huge moment for us. We have been speeding through this franchise together, and the thought of another high-flying adventure is pure nostalgia. Let's break down this exciting news and speculate on what incredible things are in store for our favorite Blue Blur. Are you ready to experience the thrill of Sonic's world once again? What will happen in Sonic the Hedgehog 4? The official plot of Sonic the Hedgehog 4 hasn't been revealed, but the post-credit scenes in previous movies strongly hints at Shadow's arrival. This could lead to an exploration of his origins, motivations, and character complexities. The movie might delve deeper into the lore of the Sonic universe, introducing new characters and expanding the existing mythology. With Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles established as a formidable team, Sonic the Hedgehog 4 could further develop their bond and showcase their unique strengths. We might see them facing challenges requiring them to rely on each other more than ever. While Shadow is a likely antagonist, the film could introduce other iconic villains from the games, such as Metal Sonic or Dr. Eggman's more eccentric creations. The stakes could be raised with a global threat that forces Sonic and his friends to unite with unexpected allies. Sonic the Hedgehog films have successfully blended action with humor. Expect more laughs, heartwarming moments, and thrilling action in Sonic the Hedgehog 4. The film could introduce new locations and environments, expanding the scope of Sonic universe beyond Earth. This could open up exciting possibilities for visual spectacle and introduce unique challenges for our heroes. One more thing I want to share with you, there is no official release date announced for the upcoming movie, but we can speculate that it will be released in 2025. This is the golden age of being a Sonic fan. We have come a long way and the future of this franchise looks brighter than ever. I am filled with nostalgia and excitement. Let's embrace this new chapter and enjoy the ride. See you in the comments. Thank you.